Next, let's use a very similar track mat to animate between two clips. This time what we're going to do is just hover the track mat between these two clips here. We're going to take the clip we want to transition into, move it up one layer, and shift it to the beginning of the track mat. And just make sure that the track mat and this are the same. So at this point here, this is when I want the next video to fully transition on. I'm going to make a cut there and just drag that down to the bottom line there, the bottom layer, and then we can trim our track mat there. So it's just overlapping on the first clip first. Otherwise, this is the entire clip that we're transitioning to, just split across two different layers. Like we do in the last example, we're going to nest that. Go to Effect, go to the track mat key, drag that onto our footage, not the track mat. Effect Controls. We're dealing with a luma mat, and it's living on V3 over here. So now when we push play, and it's very abrupt, it's very sharp. So what do? We can add whatever way we want to transition that into full screen. I personally just think it's easier and looks a lot nicer just to film dissolve in. And we just want that to be nice and quick. So now it looks like this. Seamless, stylish. You could even add a drop shadow at that middle clip there, so it gives some pseudo 3D clip there. And if we wanted to, we can just scale and shift this down, so then we see the part of the clip that we want. So now the clip is exactly the same place at the same time, and it's seamless. And that's why it's important to nest your clip there, because if we want to reposition and rescale our footage so then it shows within the track mat, then it's easier to do that without causing so much pain. The alternative would have been to move the track mat up and down, and you could actually animate your track mat a second time. And we can use this same method to use with the glitch transitions from Rampant Design as a transition.